Little children need to have a whole ecosystem to look after them, to support them, to make sure that they grow up healthy and strong for their own futures. And the more disadvantaged children are, the greater support they need.
The ecosystem's a really important piece because we know that children do not exist in isolation to a broader system, the family system, the community system, and all the policy environments that actually support their development, and what does that look like to help them achieve their aspirations into adulthood.
We have issues of health, we have issues of early learning, issues of protection, we have issues of sanitation, and not one single organization can deal with that alone. So partnership here is very important.
This theme of this conference around the ecosystem and what that means, it's a big word, we all use it, but this idea that there is a lot of specialized skill, experience, and resource in the way that we've organized ourselves in government, in societies, in our organizations. And how do we bring that to bear in a way that is organized around a collective goal of improving the lives of our kids and setting an opportunity and an invitation to bring folks together where they can see that what they do not just takes care of roads or buildings or the environment, but is directly affecting the health and well-being of young kids as they grow up. And that as kids are better, adults are better, the society is better, and that together is helping us move as an ecosystem, as a set of systems towards that kind of goal.
Our work shows that there's a multiplicity of models across countries in how agencies can collaborate, ministries, different departments, but also actors at the local level. And there's no single solution, there's no single model that works well in all contexts, and it is up to countries to decide what model for cooperation they can embrace. What our work tries to do is also to identify the key enablers for this type of cooperation. And it is a huge satisfaction to see that the discussion is advancing, that more and more countries are adopting this type of policy approaches, coordinated policy approaches, on a whole of government approach on the early years.
Continued connectedness so that solutions can be collaboratively and in a very coordinated way found. It's not an easy task, but I'm convinced that there's enough knowledge, the field is enough mature to provide that type of articulated solution. We just need to make a step forward and perhaps reach out to those that have not been involved in our endeavors over the years and bring them in our discourse so the ecosystem is alive and it's not just in our mindset, which we know is the way to move forward.